Hello friends, I'm Shreya. Today in this video I will show you how to make a very beautiful choker design. To make this choker, I will first take two 6mm pearl and two 10mm yellow crystal. This time we will tie a knot. This time we will take the needle through one 6mm pearl. Now I will take two 5mm, one 6mm and two 5mm pearl bead. Now we will take the needle through the 1 6mm we took last. Now I will take one piece 10mm crystal, one piece 6mm pearl, one piece 10mm crystal. We will continue this process a total of 9 times. I hope you will like this beautiful and very simple choker design. If you like the design, give a like and comment how you like this design. We will take 5 pieces of 5mm pearls. Now we will come back to complete these flower designs. To complete these flower designs, we will use 6mm pearl. We have now given the finishing touches to the flowers. Now we will complete this choker design by adding 5 pieces 5mm pearl. Now we will add charm ring and tassel. I hope you guys are like this design very much. If you like it, please give us a like and comment and let me know how you like this design. And please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for watching our entire video. Bye bye dear.